All right, bronze bracket, round 6, match 2. Kirin Ichiban from Japan, American lager with 5% ABV. And that one, let's see, what do I have this? It's 5% American lager, not an adjunct, versus Grolsch. Grolsch, a European pale lager, 5% ABV from the Netherlands. And of course, Kirin Ichiban is from Japan. Now, Grolsch calls itself a premium Pilsner. So, this one should be stronger, in my opinion. I'm guessing right now. I'm guessing that this one's going to have some bitterness to it, more caramely flavor. Let's see, the color is about the same, the carbonation appears about the same. Although the Grolsch appears to be maintaining more of a head, producing more of a head. So, here's a good side-by-side comparison. I don't know how well that's going to show up on the video. That's the best I can do. Head is almost the same. There's a slight bit more foam on top of the Grolsch. But which one tastes better? That's the thing that everybody wants to know. Well, I can open my eyes. Yeah, I don't know which one's which. So, I'm just going to start with sips. It's got a rich flavor to it. And I don't recall Grolsch tasting like that. And this one's got a bit smoother flavor to it. More of a bite, more, I guess, a lower pH on that, maybe. I don't know. But it's got more of a hit. And I wouldn't say a tangy flavor, but definitely stronger. Bitterness. Smoothness. Well, if my prediction is correct, this is the Grolsch and this is the Kirin Ichiban. That's got some hoppiness to it in the finish there. Definitely more bitter. All right. That wasn't bad. The bitterness, I'm used to it by now. And it is flavorful. Kind of weaker going in, but finishes about as strong as that one, with the flavor lingering. But in the initial taste, as it first went in, was weaker and more watery than this one. And it's got some bitterness. These beers are actually pretty close, surprisingly. You wouldn't think that American lager made in Japan would be about the same as a Pilsner made in Netherlands. I'm thinking this is made in Netherlands. Does it say on the bottle here? Shit, I can't read that. This just looks like government warning bullshit. But I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure the Grolsch is made in Netherlands. I'll have to look it up, and if I'm wrong, then I'll put a note on the video here. Now, let's see. Just a tad bit more foam on top of this one, although the carbonation appears to be the same. The color appears to be pretty much the same, although this one might be a touch darker. So that's decent. It's drinkable. A little bitter at first, but now it's starting to, my taste buds are becoming used to it, adjusting to it, and I'm liking it. They're both crisp. That one had a pretty strong finish there. But I guess it all depends on how I swallow it, how many fractions of a second that I let it linger in my mouth. That kind of changes things. So if you taste one beer and you swish it around your mouth, and you taste another beer and you just swallow it, there's definitely going to be a way that they affect your taste buds. The amount of time that's spent on your tongue might make a difference. At least I'm just guessing. But it would seem reasonable to me to think that. Okay, nice big swig, let it linger there. Okay, not a bad finish. Now let that go away a bit, and I'll try it with this one. So even though this calls itself a Pilsner, Pilsners are not all the same. The Pilsner, where it originated in Pilsen, Czechia, is the original Pilsner. And when they started making the same style in Germany and maybe other places, they used, of course, different ingredients from their area, but they also made it slightly different. So that's why they're not all Pilsners are the same. I'm kind of leaning towards this one, given that it's a bit stronger, a tad bit more flavorful. This one's mild in comparison to that, or at least that drink was. And this one has some bite to it, some more bitterness, slightly more bitter. But the bitterness, the aftertaste is good. I like it. I'm going to go with this one. And that's it. Grolsch has taken down Kirin and Ichiban. And it was a close one, honestly, because what this is all about is which one of these would I rather have another one of, and I think I would rather have another one of these, but I certainly wouldn't object to having another one of these. Surprisingly, Kirin Ichiban, I've discovered in this bracket, is a pretty good beer. Better than most of the lagers that I've tried, or most of the adjunct lagers. And some of the American lagers.